The GF, quirky, irregular French RE verbs in the present tense. Audio practice, numbers 26 to 30. Close your eyes. Fermez les yeux. Number 26. Je le plains. Je le plains. I feel sorry for him. I pity him. Numéro 27. Oh, ils se plaignent toujours. Ils se plaignent toujours. They're always complaining. Toujours can mean always. It can also mean still, so you could mean they're still complaining. Numéro 28. Pourquoi nous ne nous plaignons jamais? Pourquoi nous ne nous plaignons jamais? Why don't we ever complain? Jamais, not ever or never. Okay, you have the little ne, the negative ne. And remember, jamais replaces pas. All right, so not is pas, but never is jamais. And it goes in the place of pas. Numéro 29. Elle rompt avec lui. Elle rompt avec lui. She's breaking up with him. To rompre, to rupture, to break. Numéro 30. Elle te corrompt. Elle te corrompt. They're corrupting you. So sometimes you can't tell the difference between she and feminine they, but here you can with RE verbs, because before that silent ENT, you have to say the letter before it very, very, very clearly. So if it was she's corrupting you, that would be elle te corrompt, with no sound at the end or no spitting out sound. But with the they, elle te corrompt. D'accord. Number 26 from English into French. I feel sorry for him. I pity him. I feel sorry for him. I pity him. Je le plains. Je le plains. Number 27, masculine they. They're always complaining. They're always complaining. Ils se plaignent toujours. Ils se plaignent toujours. No ising and amming and ahhing in French. Number 28. Using nous. Why don't we ever complain? Why don't we ever complain? Pourquoi nous ne nous plaignons jamais? pourquoi nous ne nous plaignons jamais? Nous ne nous. Luckily, in spoken French, they usually drop the ne, so you could just say pourquoi nous ne nous plaignons jamais? Number 29. She's breaking up with him. She's breaking up with him, rupturing with him. Elle rompt avec lui. Elle rompt avec lui. Number 30, feminine they. They're corrupting you, addressing to. So feminine they and addressing to. They're corrupting you. Elle te corrompt. Elle te corrompt. Vous avez fini. La 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 la. Bravo. Moi.